Close the wall. Close the wall. You can. สวัสดีค่ะ Yes. And smile.
Look, camera, please.
Diyan ka pala, hinahanap kita ko. Okay. Yes, glowing si Emma. Actually, ang dami nila. Guatemala is so beautiful. Her eyes are so tantalizing. Dominican Republic is also beautiful. She has an incredible stage presence. Earlier, Miss Thailand is always such a character. Who else? Miss Malaysia up there is also beautiful. Look at me.
กล้องกลางกล้องกลางยังไม่ทันเลยเสียงหายแล้ว
ขอรูปนะครับ this way please
Miss New Zealand nandito rin.
โอเคครับเขาบอกเขาจะไว้ก็ได้ไม่โอเคครับขอบคุณครับ
ครบนะครบนะ
อ่ะคุณช็อตมางานอีกรอบโอเค
นั่นแหละฮะ
เซ็นเตอร์เซ็นเตอร์
น้องเข้าไป
อาชีพอยากเล่นอีก
โอเคครับดี
Look at me.
กล้องไหนก่อนกล้องก่อนโอเค
เอากล้องไหนกล้องไหน
ดีเลยนะครับ
เอาดีๆเอาดีๆไม่วิ่งอย่างนี้ลูก
คนไหนทุกคน1 2 3 Come on please 1 2
Tapos nakataas na ako. Tapos naka-magic.
โอเคครับ
โอเค
ร้อยคน
บิวตี้ขอหน่อยบิวตี้ขอหน่อยทุกคนเลยทุกคนมา
ก็มีนะ Look at me. นะ 1 2 3 1 2 3 The one and only The one and only 1 2 3 1 2 3 Okay, cool.
มา
เย้
Emma. Facebook.
Oh yeah.
Facebook.
Already.
Emma, pa-hold lang. Emma, congratulations! Buong Pilipinas.
Okay lang.
Buong mga Becky sa Pilipinas na pasaya mo tonight. Ang lakas-lakas mo.
Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat to all your support, all your love, and of course to your prayers.
Oo. Anong inspiration mo dun sa gown mo? Bakit yun ang style ng gown mo for today's fashion ceremony? Welcome ceremony.
First of all, I just want to thank my designer for that gown. It's Chico Estiva. Kuya Chico, maraming salamat po. My stylist, Vico, of course. My hair and makeup, Hair by Heart, and makeup by Mac Tabuso. And all the team Emma, without them, hindi natin makakayanan yun, hindi natin makakakita yung ganun. Siguro yung inspiration nun is we want to be just as pretty as we are. Gusto lang natin ipakita kung ano bang meron ang Filipino.
Oo.
Did you get to choose the outfit for
For this, no. Actually, backstage, sayang no. Pero mapapanood nyo yun sa vlog ko. After kasi tatakbo na kami doon, sila na yung pumili. The designer that you saw in the photo, sila na yung pumili kung ano yung color para sa akin.
Yeah. So kanina what were you thinking when you were walking towards the stage? Yung as you were walking with your Chico Estiva gown.
You know what? When I saw the stage a while ago in the morning, kasi we had a rehearsal in the morning, no? This is the first runway that we have for Miss Grand International. So nung nakita ko yung runway, I just wanna enjoy the runway. Yung ganun ko lang siya inisip na parang eto na, napapakita na natin little by little, gradually, kung ano pa ang meron at kung ano pa yung ibubuga ng Pilipinas. Kaya pinakita ko kanina, parang I just wanna enjoy it. Parang kung gano'n ka-shine yung gown na gawa ni Kuya Chico, gano'n ko siya gusto makita rin ng mga tao.
Ano masasabi mo na tingin namin araw-araw finals night sa mga pasabog outfits mo?
Di ko nga alam kanina nga sabi ko sa team ko, sabi ko, sure ba kayo magpapalit ako from breakfast to rehearsal? Kasi para isahan na lang, hindi tayo maubusan. Sabi, hindi tayo maubusan. Maraming mga nakasuportang Filipino designers behind our back.
Do you still have like ongoing, let's say, online training pa rin for?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course. For
ongoing.
Pasarela, actually, before we started this welcome ceremony, nag-video call pa kami ni Mommy G, may pasarela trainer, to do all the routine, the introduction, and all. And about naman sa Q&A, everyday kami nag-uusap ng aking Q&A trainers.
Emma, ba't parang hindi ka nawawala ng energy?
Hindi nawawala ng energy, boses lang. Boses lang mawawala. Pero yung energy, di siguro dahil nag-enjoy talaga ako. Tapos, isa pa sa nag-enjoy ako, I just wanna share it. No? Kasi parang everyday, I meet different kinds of girls, like from Latinas, from Asian. Siguro makikita nyo yun sa TikTok ko. Parang isa-isa nakikilala ko sila. Tapos ang sweet, alam mo yung nakikita mo silang story. Ang saya. Ang saya dito sa Grand International na parang kaya siguro ako bumalik kasi ito yung hinahanap ko rin na saya no, na ito yung na-miss ko rin.
I know it's day 3 pa lang ngayon, day 4.
Day 4.
Day 4, and we still have 2 more weeks to go. So paano mo, and sabi mo nga you're very energetic, paano mo ma-assure yung mga fans na masusustain mo yung energy mo all throughout the pageant, considering this pageant is a high energy show?
As long as I have my team with me, my family and my friends, I know they're there to support me. Siguro hindi mawawala yung energy. Tsaka if you really know Emma Mary Tiglao, eto talaga siya, energetic, hindi nawawalan. Kaya kung nanonood kayo ng kada umaga sa Net 25 noon, kilala nyo. Very hardworking and energetic, bubbly type Emma. Walang tinago. Ito talaga siya. I think ito talaga yung passion na nag-suit yung personality ko talaga. Kaya nag-enjoy na.
How was it to be roomies with Miss Thailand?
So fun! So fun to be roommates with Miss Thailand. I am teaching her some English words and she's teaching me Thai so that I can understand also the Thai fans. And I love it. I love the chit-chats, sharing of things. Last night, parang naka-face mask siya. Tapos binigyan niya rin ako. So we're kami selfie together with that.
Emma, day 4 pa lang ngayon, tapos lagi namin tinatanong sa'yo na nasa Pilipinas pa tayo kung sino makalaban mo. Ang sagot mo palagi, it's all about yourself. Pero ngayon nakita mo na sila, pwede mo na ba ma-share sa amin sino yung parang medyo nakikita mo matinding karibal mo para sa Corona?
Honestly, siguro, paano ba to? Trinain ako nila Mommy G na your only competitor is yourself. Kasi if you will focus on other people, siguro sila na lang yung tumitingin nun, no? Yung team ko yung tumitingin nun, pero hindi nila sinasabi sa akin. Kaya everyday, meron kaming meeting na, bukas, itong event ha, so dapat ganito pa. Ito yung atake. So sila yung tumitingin ng mga potential na mga kalaban. Pero for me kasi, I don't wanna focus sa other. Kasi pag nag-focus ako sa other girls, paano tayo? Diba? Paano tayo lalaban? So I just wanna focus kung ano pa yung kaya ko ilabas. What are my strengths na nakatago pa? And yung weaknesses natin na pwede natin to next time. Ganun na lang siguro siya. Kasi seeing all the girls, they're all beautiful and day by day, I am knowing one by one. And I can say na lahat naman potential maging winner. So it's up to the organization who will they pick.
Nabanggit mo weakness. Bukas, grand talent na. So, ano ba yan? Would you say it's a weakness that you're going to convert to a strength? Ano ba nga asahan namin sa audition?
Ay, totoo
bukas?
yan! Kasi, buti na lang this year, it's not Grand Voice, it's gonna be Grand Talent. Kasi pag Grand Voice, yun talaga yung weakness. Pero yung weakness na inilalaban. Pero, with the help of Ian Leyva, my choreographer, so we're gonna try to do it.
Choreographer, so may clue na.
Yes! So we're gonna do it. try natin kung makakapag-audition tayo tomorrow. Pero pag hindi, edi, akura.
Oo. Basta have fun lang,
Yes,
di
yun
ba?
naman din eh. Parang, alam mo yung paano ba? Di ba kapag pageant, yung gigil na gigil. Pag kasi gigil na gigil ka, parang hindi mo mailalabas lahat ng meron. Unlike kapag nag-enjoy ka lang, nakikita ng tao yun. This is MGI. This is entertainment. So you should entertain people and entertain yourself.
I know it's day 4 pa lang ngayon. So, ngayon ba, ano ba, syempre, magdamaga ng mga pageants ang mga activities nyo. Do you get to read pa ba the comments of fans on your social media accounts? How do you handle fan feedback at this point in time? Do you read or parang do you just, ignore them? Or do you still have time at all?
Honestly, sometimes I do read. Kasi parang nagustuhan kaya nila. Pero not all. Not all the comments yung nababasa ko. Kaya, mas unahin ko na sigurong basahin yung group message namin ng Google kasi mas importante yun. So, doon na lang ako nag-focus. So, if may positive man or negative comment, I am thankful for that because positive comment, parang fire yun for me di ba? Adds fire on me. And if negative comment, maybe we can put it into strength, di ba? So, ang hinihingi ko na lang sa mga fans, Filipino fans especially, please, give some kind words and love and support. This is our fight. I know it's hard. May nakita ko na mahirap nga daw because of back-to-back. But walang mahirap kung paghihirapan mo yung gusto mo. Diba?
Yeah, anong fighting spirit ni Emma?
Emma, you're one of the delegates na on average daw you're doing 3 to 4 outfit changes. Was that deliberate? Is that deliberate? Every day,
Every day.
3 to 4 outfit.
We're trying naman, no? Kasi everyday, pinapadala naman kami ng schedule. So, the night before ng activity, parang pinaplano din namin yun. I have 6 pieces of luggage with me. So, and some of my team will fly pa before preliminary. So,
They'll bring more.
I think, yeah. So, nakaplan naman lahat yan. Kasi I'm so thankful kasi ang daming Filipino designers. Actually, meron pa kaming hindi nadala eh. Nabibit-bitin pa ng iba. Super supportive ng mga Filipino designers. Siguro this is the moment, this is the time that I can showcase their creativity and talent. This is just me wearing them. Pero yung pinakabida talaga is them, their creativity. Without them, wala naman ako isusuot.
So for us, your message to you, the Filipino fans, as of this time.
Okay, we're just on day 4, mga Pilipino. And I know yesterday and today, you've experienced a lot na with the quake in Cebu and how many aftershock you've experienced. And I'm so happy with other pageant that are helping yung mga naapektuhan po nito. And even though I am here in Thailand, I am competing, you can see me smiling, my love and prayers are with you po. Nakikisimpatya po ako at nakikiramay din sa mga nawalan ng mahal sa buhay. Let's fight. We're Filipinos. We're resilient. We're strong. So, as one, we can do this. And for this pageant naman, I just want to say thank you to all the Filipino fans who appreciate what we're doing. We're just on day 4. Marami pa po tayong ilalabas at ilalaban. As long as I have you guys, kaya natin.
Thank you.
Thank you, Emma. Good luck tomorrow.